computers are made up of different components, all doing an individual job or function. Inside a computer, there are 5 main components. Without these 5 parts, you simply don't have a computer. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. The motherboard. The motherboard, sometimes referred to as the mainboard or simply MOBO, is a large pin circuit board. Its job is to connect all the devices on your computer to each other. Everything inside and outside of the PC connects to the motherboard, and through the motherboard to every other component. You plug in a mouse or keyboard, attach your screen, speakers or headphones, or a microphone, or any USB device such as a printer, flash drive, external hard drive stack. They are all plugged into the motherboard. 2. Central Processing Unit CPU. A simply processor is the brains of the machine. Virtually everything you do on your computer runs through the CPU. The CPU is mounted onto the motherboard in a socket. Most of the time, it's simply plugged in, but occasionally it's soldered into place. If it's inside a PC, everything is connected to the CPU through the motherboard. 3. Random Access Memory RAM is the space in which the CPU works. Now, RAM is often confused with storage. Is that word at the end, memory? In the computers, when we use the term memory, we're talking about RAM. RAM or memory provides an area for the CPU to work in. Every program, including Windows itself, is loaded into RAM in order to work. The CPU has to process everything you see on screen, but it simply can't handle the sheer weight of data flowing into it. So, the CPU uploads the data into RAM or memory. 4. Computer storage. Inside the computer, all your documents, pictures, music, etc. are saved onto a device called a hard drive. Its literal term in storage as in how much data can computer store. Hard drive can be called hard disk, local disk, C drives, storage drive, disk. They are referred to the same thing. 5. The power supply unit, PCU, is the final part of the puzzle. Its function is, as name suggests, to supply the computer with enough electrical power to operate. PCUs act as sort of transformers, converts AC power from the wall outlet to AC power from the computer's internal components. Topic 2. Malicious programs. Also known as malware, is malicious software and refers to any software that is designed to cause harm to computer systems, network, or users. A malicious program is defined as a type of software designed to harm the PLC system by disturbing their operations, intercepting data, or locking down the files. 7 types of malware. 1. Virus. Viruses are sound problems and data loss. 2. Worm. A worm is a type of malware that replicates and spreads rapidly to any device on the network. Unlike virus, worms do not require a host program to spread. Worms infect devices through download files or network connection before multiplying and spreading at an exponential rate. Like virus, worms can severely disrupt device operation and cause data loss. 3. Trojan virus. These themselves are useful software programs, but once the user downloads it, the Trojan virus can access sensitive data and then modify, block, or delete the data. Unlike ordinary virus and worms, Trojan virus are not designed to replicate themselves. 4. Spyware. Spyware is malware that runs secretly on a computer and reports back to a remote user. Rather than simply disrupting device operations, spyware targets sensitive information and can provide remote access to attackers. Spyware is often used to steal financial or personal information. A particular type of spyware is a keylogger, which records your keyboard taps to reveal password and personal information. 5. Adware is malware that is used to collect data on your computer usage and deliver advertisement accordingly. In addition, significant levels of adware can slow down your system noticeably. This program displays unwanted advertisement and can also hurt user behavior. 6. Ransomware. Ransomware is generally part of a phishing scheme. By clicking on this link, the user automatically downloads the ransomware. The attackers then encrypt certain information that can only be unlocked with a key payload. This type of malware encrypts a user's files, making them inaccessible until a ransom is paid. 7. Keyless malware is a type of malware that is memory-based. This is malware that operates from the victim's computer memory rather than from files on the hard drive. Since there are no files to scan, this type of malware is harder to detect than traditional malware. Thank you for your attention.